just want to say, dream big, do not give a break, keep working hard. It's okay so if someone is laughing at you, it's okay if someone is pulling your leg, pulling you back down, it's okay.
Hi guys, welcome to Suprata Infotainment. In this video, we are going to see job updates from 5 different companies. So watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Telegram page for more updates. If you are already subscribed to this channel, let's start Find Your Way. The first job update is from Accenture. So Accenture is hiring for international chat. So freshers are eligible. So 0 to 1 year experience are eligible. So up to 2 lakh per annum are provided. So the location was New Delhi. So educational qualification or any graduation or any post graduation. The key skills should be customer support, solving queries, service desk, chat. It's an on-voice job, and you are flexible to night shifts. So those who are interested to work with Accenture, you can apply by clicking this register and apply now icon. The second job update is from MFAS. So MFAS hearing for technical support, service desk voice process. So 0 years experience freshers are eligible. Up to 2,50,000 per annum are provided. So the location was Bangalore. They provide some job responsibilities here: identifying hardware and software solutions, troubleshooting technical issues, resolving network issues, and so on. They provide qualification and requirements here. So freshers, any graduation, certification in Microsoft, Linux or Cisco is advantage. Prior experience in technical support, desktop support or similar role. Proficiency in Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Good written and verbal communication. So flexible to work with night shifts. So those who are interested to work with MFAS, you can apply by clicking this register and apply now icon. The third update is from Reliance Industry. So they are recruiting for diploma graduate trainee. So 0 to 2 years are eligible. They provide some roles and responsibilities here. So the desired candidate should have fresher, diploma trainee or graduate in BSc, BTech, BE or preferred. So candidates are required to have 70% in 10th, 12th diploma, BE, BTech. Candidates should have completed all the semesters in first attempt. Candidates who have completed their diploma, BSc, BTech, BE in 2020 and 2021 are eligible for this role. So those who are interested to work with Reliance, you can apply by clicking this register to apply now icon. So the fourth update is from L&T, Larsen and Toubro. So they are recruiting for diploma freshers. So 0 to 1 year of experience are eligible. So they are recruiting for Hyderabad location. They provide some job descriptions here. So making regular checks on equipments according to their planned schedule, locating plots, carrying out repair and replacing parts. So it's mechanical and electrical diploma engineers for batch 2020 and 2021 are eligible for these jobs. So the educational qualifications should have completed full-time diploma after SSC or equivalent, should have minimum of 65% and MO in their academics. So those who are interested to work with L&T, you can apply by clicking this register and apply now icon. The fifth update is from Sutherland. So they are recruiting for storage technical role night shifts for Bangalore location. 1 to 6 years of experience are required. So up to 8 lakh per annum are provided. So due to this pandemic situation, the work is from home. After once the pandemics are over, you have to shift to Bangalore. So any graduate, diploma in any specialization, any postgraduates are eligible for this. So those who are interested to work with Sutherland, you can apply by clicking this register and apply now icon. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.